This is the part 2 of the first video. I hope you've seen part 1 because we're not gonna explain the game anymore. Drama, can you
Yay.
say can you say hello?
Yellow.
Okay.
They're not on hard. They're not hard, but it doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah.
They're still gonna wipe
They,
us
they, they,
out.
wa- they weren't hard bots last time either.
Oh. So we better just loot. So, but we lost a few times. What do you mean they were hard?
Yes.
No,
We were just bad at the game,
no, I don't
actually.
want to play with Barbie, bro. I want to be unicorn.
I'm a big golden dog. Okay, time to full try hard. Okay, one player is already dead.
I'm just shooting on a wing doing little
Another
things.
player is dead.
I'm coming get a save. Damn, that's
You
crazy.
almost killed yourself.
I can't get up. I'm gonna save you. Sasuke.
GG's! Oh, wait.
No, there's
There's...
one more cow. Damn, the cow just knocked all of us out. You can deal with the cow. I'll be right here.
I'm just joking the cow out. Bro,
Oh,
bro,
bro.
you almost hit me. Yes. GG's.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. 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 Damn, I
Oh,
knocked out the elephant.
I already fell.
Damn, I'll clutch.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
This is another item. It's like a cup.
It's the same
Look.
thing. Damn, it's the same thing. Yet I still die.
It's a cup. It's no longer a fish.
Yeah, it's a cup you can throw in there when it's caffeine, bro. It's caffeine. Hey, take some caffeine, man. Take a damn. I love how I'm just helping them.
I said, come on, bro.
Now
Just grab him. No, they
grab
both died.
him.
They both died. Okay.
Oh, and now we should probably mention that we can finally make videos more than 15 minutes long.
Yes.
How do I keep doing this? I don't get, get off.
I knocked myself out of the plane.
Good job. You earned yourself an applause.
You
Yay, I
almost did it.
did it.
Hey, guys. This blows up. Don't go after it. Ah. Where?
I am the best. I'm the best.
Oh, wait. Is the plane getting tilted? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is. Oh, and he just jumped off here. Nope, psych you. Don't put bun.
No!
Don't put bun in it.
Come on. Come on. We gotta do this. We're good. Give me coffee. Yes.
I can't. I can't. I'm not.
No, why there was coffee already on the ground.
Yes. No. How did the cow get alive? The cow went alive.
Oh my god! What did this coffee do to me? I like insta knock out everybody. Oh no, brother! This
The goose is paying me.
the cat. Bro, get the coffee, get the coffee.
Where?
I just dropped coffee.
Uh, no, I couldn't. I couldn't.
Why
I
is
didn't eat it yet. Why did I
why
eat it?
why was the coffee
No.
floating? Banana peel.
Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Psyched. Juked ya. Them. Let's go. Yes!
GG's.
I win! I win! Blah blah blah! I'm gonna
I
knock
just
him off!
is.
I'm gonna knock him off! Turn off! I off. I off. I off.
Oh no, I got the clutch.
Take coffee! Take the coffee! It's my turn! Take it!
Coffee. No.
This got
No.
side punched by an elephant.
Brother.
Fucking side punched by a goddamn elephant wearing goofy ass sunglasses.
POV
That was
party
a
animal.
bad bomb. Who threw that bomb? Who
Me.
threw that bomb? That was a bad bomb throw. You
I
just
know.
bomb throw. I love how no one's just drinking the coffee. They're just chilling right beside them.
Bro, guys.
Now one.
Banana. No, oh no. Oh no. We shall not let thy cow win.
I insta killed the black goose.
The black goose is bad.
I died.
Everybody knows that the black goose is worse than the white goose.
Goofy rolling off the edge. Wait, no, Goofy stopped. Take Goofy. Take the Goofy.
The
Take
goofy.
the Goofy.
They're already dead. GG's! No. There is no way. Who died? Who died first? Yes! How did I clutch that?
I don't know. Why are you
But
standing still? I'm gonna shave my teeth.
no, brother. With a good thumbnail. This is
That was
not
not
a
a good
good
thumbnail.
thumbnail.
That was not a good thumbnail. What is this? Oh my god. We need to do one more map. One more.
Wait a
Oh my
second, what should the
favorite map.
thumbnail be? What should the
Favorite.
thumbnail be? Should it just be the same thumbnail, but I poorly draw a two.
Yes, and then you poorly draw. Did it work? The ice gun. It looks different now. I'm shooting it at myself.
How are you
Yeah,
shooting an ice gun at yourself?
I froze myself. I froze myself.
Hey guys, this blows up. Boom. No more. Are you dead? Oh, you're not.
No, I'm right here trying to ride this cart.
I want to blow up.
I'ma do it. I'ma do it for you. I'ma do it for you. I am. No! Someone die! No, I don't wanna die! Get out of here, Goose! I mean, you're Goose, not goddamn.
Oh my god, how did I clutch that?
We have small issue.
Are you dead?
I'm.
No! I died! Clutch this, clutch this. Come on, you can clutch it. You can clutch
Hey
it.
yo! This blows. This blows up.
No, are you... No!
I was close. I was close. You see the bee hops? You see them bee hops? You see them bee hops?
Hey guys,
Oh, this blows up.
this blows up.
You
Eh,
almost threw it at me. You almost killed me, man. I need to
and
knock out some of y'all.
you knocked me out,
I knocked
brother.
out some of y'all.
You're killing me. That's me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, White Duck is dead.
Oh, this blows up.
Yes, that guy is also
I'm
dead.
dead. I almost killed myself. Please, grab onto me. Nice, nice.
I'm gonna
Hey
go
yo,
on cart.
d- d-
I'm on cart. I have cart. I'm just standing there menacingly. Hey guys, this blows up.
We almost just fucking killed the elephant. We bombed. Damn it! I'm gonna put banana peel.
No,
Y'all both died.
there is. I died. Oh. Man, why just falling on a conveyor belt kills you?
Wanna make it all the way when I can't hear
Nah, bro, I'm taking revenge on the cat. Nah,
Pokemon!
no, there is
I
no
need to
way.
die. Give me the drink!
Yes,
I am back!
you have coffee. Yeah, wait, when did they add the coffee?
Oh, sorry.
You just killed me.
Yeah, I got kinda deep, but I'm a clutch, don't worry.
Hey, bro, you want another coffee?
Yeah, give me another cup, give me another cup. Throw it right here, I got it. Ah,
No,
coffee!
no, you're dead. Oh,
I know how
sheesh.
to catch on that. My coffee! Damn, I got it. I can jump! Well, let's just hope green doesn't win. Oh, green is no longer alive. Who wants a coffee from there? Who wants a coffee? No
What are
one.
they gonna do with the coffee?
They
Are they
can
gonna shove
use
it up their ass
what?
or something?
Like Judy with that bomb up and Goose committed. Goose aside.
Good aside, yes. But just yeah, we have no wins. We are dead. Hey guys,
AOD blows up. AOD blows up.
bro, almost.
You're gonna kill me. You're gonna actually kill me. Oh, I'm back, baby, and you can't kill. I threw the bomb, then I climbed on the edge. Fuck you.
Why?
I couldn't drop kick. Fuck them.
Why? Why do you want to throw me?
AOD
Oh
blows
no,
up.
you just killed me.
And I win, baby. Let's go. It's triple.
We all
I
have
killed
a
all
win.
of y'all. I killed all of y'all. Yo, this blows up. That hit no one. Ayo. Yo, this blows up.
I barely jumped over the explosion radius of your bomb.
Me bomb is equals good.
Oh no,
Yo, this blows up.
she just killed me. Or?
You can jump out. You can jump in. I'll save you. Grab on. Damn, that's crazy. I I sacrificed myself to kill Arthur. You need to. I didn't kill Arthur.
There is no way.
Who needs a cup of coffee? Who
Me,
needs
me!
coffee?
Give me Drogol! Blow up.
Everyone has a point. Did you notice?
Yes. And that's very bad. It's only us who need a point. I'm taking revenge on the other. Oh shit.
I killed the black goose, I think. You can't clap. Yes, I killed. Bro, that's the best strat ever. Go in. Just grab them while they're not ragdolled. It works. Never mind. I died. It does not work. Cow got a very hard hit, but who needs coffee? I need coffee. Who needs coffee? You have a you should probably throw that. You gonna die with it. Oh. Take the coffee!
No,
Take the
no,
coffee! Go
please.
take the coffee!
Where?
Coffee right there. If you can
Coffee!
throw it and then grab it again, because you grabbed it wrong.
How do you grab a coffee wrong?
You
Right.
keep grabbing it wrong.
Did you throw that? Was that
No,
you?
I didn't throw that.
Ow!
I have another one. Maybe that one's broken. I have another one right there. Come on, grab it. What are you doing with it? You're spinning with it. Blood doing tricks. Take that. I spent money on it now. You completely missed that bomb, bro. What was that?
Come on.
Banana peel. Who wants that banana peel? Oh.
Come on.
The elephant somehow gonna win, bro. I can already tell.
Nah, I'd win. Oh, shit.
Banana peel. Who wants a banana peel?
Yes, elephant slipped!
Yes. He's gonna hit.
No, there is no way. No, no, please, please, please. Oh, God. Oh.
Elephant go. He's going to the fucking hardest one. Who wants a banana peel? I have a banana peel.
Yes! Eh.
I love how you. I love how you jumped with him. Like after you killed him, you jumped.
That's how I assert my dominance.
I call this the butt tickling bandit technique. Bro, I got the best technique, bro. So if you didn't know in this game, if you hold the shovel like this, it's basically like it just insta downs them. It's a glitch.
I don't think it's a glitch. I think if someone kills you, just punches you with that, just hits you with a shovel in the head, I think you get knocked out in real life too.
No, everyone has tried it that has played party animals. Everyone knows. Like I'm just dominating the battlefield. No one can do anything. No one can actually do anything. No one can actually do anything, bro. Like look. Look.
Come on, brother!
No one can do anything, bro. Like look, we already won. Told you, this is the best technique.
Bro, should we do another map for this video?
Let's do another one. Cause this video is gonna be like 20 minutes long, but it doesn't matter. More content, more ad. Let's get a good picture. Let's get a good picture. Damn. Let's get a good picture. Hey, what am I doing?
Hey yo!
What's happening?
I'm saving that to the album. I'm saving that to the album. So I can post it on Twitter.
What was happening to the cow? The dog was just mauling the cow alive. Just fucking jumped on him. My favorite map. Yay.
He's the worst map ever. I hate it.
Kill you instantly. I'ma kill you instantly. I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you.
Why is everybody humping me?
Pause. There.
Idiot.
You stupid.
I know you want to say the word, right? I know you want to say.
No. Cow, I swear to God, I'm grabbing onto the bottom of the map. You see the bottom? You see the
Yes,
pattern?
I see you.
I'm grabbing onto the back.
Brother, just press space so you can jump. Oh.
I can't. I couldn't jump. I was not climbed. I was climbed onto the inside of it. Who needs coffee? I got coffee.
Meh.
You grabbed it right this time and you got knocked out.
Why can I never have my coffee? I want helmet. I want helmet.
Take the helmet. Take the helmet.
No!
Oh, you're gonna die now. Goodbye. Take the helmet while you're dead. What are you doing? You're shoving the horn up your ass. What the hell, man? Banana peel. Banana peel got shot out of the way.
No,
Oh my god! You guys, you
you
thought I was
had
funny.
you had to try to kill me.
What? I didn't try. The wind blew you away.
Rather, at the start, and if you didn't try, you would have been alive.
No, I died because the fucking owl or the fucking otter headbutted
Brother,
me.
brother, you died because I knocked you off because you were trying to kill me.
Yes, and then I was climbing back up, and then the otter jumped out of nowhere and headbutted my little leg, and I got knocked out. And then I grabbed onto the to
Who,
the
who won?
inside of it. Yellow,
Yellow.
black goose won.
I just insta knocked out the elephant.
Ignore me, ignore me. Them.
I'm just insta knocking out the elephant. How? I don't know. But I'm doing it somehow. How am I insta knocking out anyone? Come on,
What is
guys!
happening?
Get the platform!
This is not holding up, please. Let me idiot, please. Can I sit with you here? Can I sit with you here?
I already pulled it more than that guy.
Oh, I'm climbing up. I'm climbing up. I am the leader of world.
Oh,
Yo, I gotta take the elevator.
I
I
just
gotta take
died.
the elevator.
I just died.
I gotta take the elevator. I gotta get.
Hey, bro, you chilling there? Ah.
Yeah, I'm chilling here. I've gotta hold it up. Hold it up. I gotta hold it up. Don't.
Where did my banana peel go?
Huh?
Oh, okay, GG's.
Ooh.
Thank you for winning this time.
Yay.
I almost killed myself.
Please. 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 Please
No
don't
more
kill me.
kitty, 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 kitty dead. Ah, shh.
Yes, I saved you. I also wanted to kill you a little bit. Who's gonna get hit? Kitty got hit. Elephant got hit.
Come on, bro. Pull the.
Who's got hit? This got hit. Otter got hit. You got hit.
Brother. Why? 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 Why?
Okay, hold on. Let me grab. Hold on, hold on. Someone, please. I'ma protect you while you're doing that. I'ma protect you.
I am knocked out. No. Who died first? Yes! I was the last one to die. So
So I love
that's
how
what.
we both knocked each other out in midair.
Oh, what? We
Yeah,
did?
so the slow-mo actually saved us because we knocked each other out in midair and it got slow-mo, so we didn't get sucked in as fast.
No, no, I think we were just the last ones to get hit.
No, I saw it. Oh, sorry, this is you. Sorry, I'm gonna save you. Sorry. So, that was not intentional. That
You
was
just killed me.
I didn't. You're fine. No
How
one
am
grabbed
I?
onto the lever.
How am
Not
I?
my lever.
Wait, I have a question. How am I fine if I'm dead? I'm dead.
And you're alive?
What do you mean you're dead and you're alive?
That's my bomb.
It was mine. I threw it. No, please.
I'm back, baby.
Banana peel.
Not
Someone just.
wanna. Bitch! Oh, you wanna... Please.
No!
No, cow, please. I have taser and I'm not afraid to use it. No, 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 please.
I love how I always just instant knock out the elephant. I don't know why.
Everyone's tased. Everyone is tased. Everyone's tased.
I mean, I'm not tased.
Pull up lever. God,
I am
not
pulling.
Don't you get it?
I am the only one that's actually pulling the lever. Is bro trying? Did bro just kill us? I'm the reason why he's alive right now.
I grabbed on. Fuck y'all. Fuck you too. You ain't allowed to leave
Oh
out the
shit.
room.
Oh, did I die? No. I'm still alive.
Good. Shit. Grab lever. Grab lever, pull lever. Oh, well, we're dead.
No.
No, we ain't. I'm holding it up. I'm holding. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Go!
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm holding it.
Yes. Yes. GG's. Okay. We should end the video here. Bye,
Yeah, we
guys.
should.